Hello and welcome to the 21st tutorial in the Swift programming series, and we're going to be looking at enumeration. A enumerator allows you to define a common type for a group of related values, which allows you to work with values in a type safe way manner within your code. So let's just open up our project. Just a quick note, this is probably going to be the last tutorial in this programming series, but we will be doing more Swift tutorials. Eventually it'll probably be when Swift actually is finally released, but for now we believe this is enough. But you can always message us and we will help as best as we can. So to create an enumerator, you do enum, that's the keyword, then you type in this name and then put compass, then you put colon, and then the data type, and put int, and what we're going to do is case. Then you put the name, then we'll put north, and put case, south, case, west, case, east, not eat, no, I wouldn't mind eating for food, print line. I'm just going to put compass dot north. And if I print it, you'll see something weird. It says enum value. It doesn't say a number, but it is a number. It's basically a particular value. It's an enumerated member value that is a good way of, what's the best way of putting it? Maybe using it as some sort of ID or reference point. This way, if I try and do some sort of check, so it's just checking if something is north, south, west or east, there's no way if some sort of number was to be put in that it would accidentally pick up north, south, west or east, even though that number could be used for something else. But this is still technically considered an integer. That's probably the best way I can think of explaining it. You can also put each numerator member value, aka each case, on a single line, but you have to separate it with a comma. I prefer it like this, as it's a little neater. If you've only got 2 or 3 or maybe 4, you can put it on one line, but if you have a lot and they're quite big, then it's probably recommended that you have it on separate lines. Okay, yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Actually, just one thing to note before we go is we didn't do this, but we'll do this now. It has you do commenting. To comment to your code basically allows you to annotate it and allows you to comment out code so it's not being run. So I can do comment with 2 forward slashes, and this has gone green, so this will not run anymore. I mean, that annoying. You can also comment using forward slash, oops, there is a forward slash asterisk, then asterisk forward slash to end that comment. That's a multi-line comment. Oh, this is moaning because this isn't declared anymore, but we'll just uncomment it in a second. And then 2 forward slashes is a single line comment, and it's not just for commenting code. Like I said, it's for annotating. So I can say this prints out stuff, for example. But yeah, that's a little thing, commenting, very similar to other languages. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystem.co.uk. The email will be in the description. You can comment on this video or directly message us via YouTube. All the required links for source code will also be in the description. And as usual, thanks for watching and have a nice day.